Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Apollo Pharmacy coupon code. So all you need to do is open any browser and then search for Apollo Pharmacy and then press on the first link and then let's choose any item to buy so I can show you how to apply the coupon code. For example, for cardiac care. For example, we can choose this one, press on add. It will be added to your card and then press on view card. Now you can see apply coupon. In order to apply coupon, you need to be logged into your account. When you press on it, it will ask you to log into your account and then enter your coupon and press on apply, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.